making hopefully one of the last of the Buffalo Plaid for the September challenge, and it's kind of funny. I'd planned to be done by now, but they changed the rules when I was finishing up what I thought was going to be the last one. So anyway, I'm making more. Hopefully this will be one of the last ones. Anyway, I'm going to be doing a graveyard one. It's going to be ready just in time for Halloween. So yeah, hopefully this one will turn out good and it'll match the criteria, the new criteria for the advanced challenge. And I'm going to be doing some embeds within the embeds. So I have, I don't know if you can see it over here, I have everything sorted out, but there's little bats in there. And I'll cut over to extruding those. And I had to keep changing my pattern because of different changes with what would work, what wouldn't. And then I have these little guys that I go on top. So I'm going to be using Plumeria from Brambleberry, and it doesn't accelerate, but it races slightly. So I found with these, with the ones that I did, is if I blend it again, so I stirred in and I blended again, I was able to smooth it out and it wasn't too hard to work with. I went ahead and added it to the oils first this time just to kind of see how it goes, because since I'm pouring in a harder layer, it's not really a big deal. I'm just using activated charcoal with this one. So I'm going with grays and whites and blacks, and then I will have, I don't know what I'll do yet on the top. I'm not sure if I'll go with a black or a light gray or what exactly I'm going to do. And then I might make it a little bit more gray. And then I'll put it in the oven to cold process, oven process. So we're going to cut over to making the other pieces, and then we'll come back.